If your PlayStation 5 update is stuck, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue and get your console back to normal. Step 1. Restart your console. Turn off your PS5 completely by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Wait a moment, then turn it back on. This can often resolve temporary glitches. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing your connection in the settings menu. If the connection is weak, try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 3. Clear the cache. To clear the cache, turn off your PS5 and then boot it into safe mode by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Select the option to clear the cache and rebuild the database. This can help with performance issues. Step 4. Update system software manually. If the update is still stuck, you can download the latest system software from the PlayStation website onto a USB drive. Insert the USB into your PS5 and follow the prompts to update manually. Step 5. Contact PlayStation support. If none of the above steps work, it may be time to reach out to PlayStation support for further assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps or help with potential hardware issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of a stuck update on your PlayStation 5. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek professional help.